All right, we're going to go over what is called the Y test, looking at the ankle stability. So we're going to start with his left foot right there in the center like it is. And for this test, there can be some warm-up attempts, which he can, with his right foot, reach out in front of him and tap down. Okay, because this is how the test is going to go. So when he does that, he'll go out to the side as well to warm up, and then behind him. Okay, just to get a feel for what he's going to be doing for the test. And he can go through that up to 4 times each direction if he wants, kind of warming up to get the feel for the test. But when you start the actual test, he's going to stand in that single leg position, and he's going to maintain that. So if he goes through this and he touches back down, then that's a failed test. Or if when he reaches out, he touches down, instead of just tapping, that's a failed test. So what we're looking for is how far he can reach in each direction, and he'll go each direction 3 times. He'll reach, tap, come back to center without touching down, and then he'll reach again 3 times in the same direction and never touching back down, and now he'll reach out to the side. And we'd want to mark the distance on these so that we know how far he can go now, and then reach behind you for the next one. Maintaining stability. All right, so that's a successful test where he's able to reach in each direction 3 times without touching down. When administering this test, you want to do it in the same sequence each time. So have him go in the same order, reaching forward first, reaching posterior lateral, and then posterior medial, so that he's fatiguing at the same point, because there is no rest during the test. You want to have consistency. And then you'll also get those measurements. You'll mark every time he reaches out so that you can have a point of reference to see improvements.